acting weird. Alright, remote.
Emergency alert system.
That's fucking lame. Well, god damn it. Tuesday's citizen.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 4:50 a.m. on February 1st, 2023, effective until 5:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
He said, I've been blessed with over 25 wonderful years in daytime television. By surrounding each two.
A civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 4:50 a.m. on February 1st, 2023, effective until 5:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Close. Yeah, you just didn't have the letters.
Well, see, I don't consider jogging fun and games.
Oh, well, there you go.
So critics say that was
Ah, shit. Hey. Bro, fuck you. You fucking black box piece of shit. All rough on me.
You're in our thoughts and prayers, and it's good to see you here today.
Thank you so much. It means a lot to me, and I've been...
At 4:50 a.m. on February 1st,
Audio's back.
2023, effective until 5:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
sportsman who ultimately lost his battle with sickle cell anemia at the age of 10. Luke Bogdan looked up to JD, and after he passed, writing became therapy for Slacker, and it continues today with Darling, You're Not Alone. And for more on JD and his latest book, please visit his website, jdwritesbooks.com. All right, Lakers back at full strength as LeBron James and Anthony Davis are in action after missing Monday's loss in Brooklyn. Final ticks of the first half in New York. Dennis Schroeder casually flips it up from half court and he banks it in. Oh, so nice. We watch it twice. Schroeder is a showstopper at the most famous arena, Madison Square Garden. Lakers down 1.5. LeBron James recorded.
I literally just tuned in. Ow, motherfucking toe. Ow. Fuck. Ah. Interview failed. Just where's the fucking message and the tones? Coco, you fucking idiot. Doesn't help that I just stumped my toe and turning off the TV. I mean, fuck. Oh. Let's do it again. There we go. Now we got it right. Okay.
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency in the San Diego area, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Broadcast murder in Miami. Trace the connection.
Could kill you would be and the
monthly test of the emergency alert system. The equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency or a life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Well, let me bring it back to the subject.
Recipes. La Plaza offers a full-service bakery, catering, custom-made cakes, and delicious traditional Mexican food. Pastries and bolillos, pan dulce, desserts, and much more. They are proud to be family-owned and operated since 1982. La Plaza Bakery in Gonzales, Soledad, Greenfield, and King City. Savory food for every mood.
Back to the music. Your music. The Central Coast Classic Hits. Pop 1021.
It has the best music.
The weekly test of the new weather radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday.
Y'all act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor, like panic. Tommy just burst in the door and started whooping her ass worse than before. They first were divorced, sewing her over furniture. It's the return of the... Oh, wait, no, wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said, nothing, you idiots. Dr. Dre's dead. He's locked in my basement. Feminist women love Eminem. Chicka, Slim Shady. I'm sick of him. Look at him walking around, grabbing his you-know-what, flipping the you-know-who.
Yeah, but he's so cute, though.
Yeah, I probably